allegedly it's about to go down. You know, saying allegedly we don't dey hear left, right, front, center, back. I beg, allegedly your baby's about. I'm about to prepare ofe nsala. Yeah, guys, welcome back to my page. But we have something. We have someone, not someone. Beg, we get person on board today. That is. Oh yeah, now why am I dancing? Because I'm about to make soup, Dare.
Ofe nsala. Ofe nsala wine name. Ofe nsala. Ofe na akpala.
Because
Ị na-enye m ala. Lacha ofe nsala. Because ọ na-akpala. Ọ na-eme ala ya agba ka pọ.
I don't hear which kind of voiceover is this? So, as a person, you should come and help me and do voiceover. And he's talking about that. Tell them what I do for you. What you can say? Oh, you're not bad. You're not bad.
If you name if I what
Go on, again.
If you name if chicken na kwa.
Ina kwa.
Oh, what if you make all law?
Okay, guys, this is Yam that he's about to blend and beg God. This voiceover. I continue that.
Yeah, watch out there, DJ.
You know, say you whether you go speak grammar because continue. Anyone way they speak.
Yeah, DG, this G, yeah, we pound it.
Yeah, pound. In a blend here.
Okay, blend it and pound is different. You use machine to blend this. Well, if you use mortar, up a pound.
Well, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
But thank God saying that if you na strong blender person for this now.
Yeah, but the blender we're using is special blender.
Special.
Very strong blender. Or this quack one. All that quack one. You ever different?
That means they use that one.
Yes, yes.
But blender self, the blender don't try. I don't think you say na you cannot be a ninja. Me, can very think it. Na come on, you pack up. Okay, we don't normally have a minute. Okay, so okay, then what's happening here again?
Yeah. You can see it on Rana. Yeah, so because I know it your yeah. So you know about it, yeah. We need the ingredient name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, now my baby don't decry. I tried to get on back and you don't see what they happen and I don't back the bikini. Hey! Okay. And I had to go in with I'm about to give them one my fridge, Jerry. See this voice about me and I got the job. Anyhow, when they talk, I wanted you guys to hear our voice because allegedly, hey, it is what it is.
I do use it. No, like it here. Because I do use it.
I'm gonna put the babies.
Okay, another person don't join for the voice over. Okay, guys, wait, I beg. That is.
Love. Yeah? If you have been a happy because so far I like it. I like you for so.
Officer. At least 6 months this month. I have now. By the special grace, all the way this week's stuff. Ha! Wow. Okay, guys, I'm about to watch the fish. So allegedly, the voiceover is already Yotago. I think I want to say, okay, no, God, the voiceover for me. Okay, they talk about that too. Can you? So this one takes the new voiceover for me. Like this.
I'm away from the novel, even the minute. No, give my hand.
I feel the kid.
Even the minute for I'm in Yaka. What I'll eat, the next memo.
Oh, it hurts more than a little. Never felt the pain that I'm feeling now. If I could only get to the middle of this tornado. I've done my share of crying. I know that there ain't no denying. I'm leaning on a bow that's about to break. But